So we're gonna have a look at this now. The rent now here is okay. You can use the Beauty Professional Extreme Safe Trial for thousands of hours. Low power for aesthetic application that require a high precision. That's really beautiful. That slide is fine. So I'm asking you to please really try harder. So it's a hypho. Yeah, you can actually put all in capitals there, which is fine. There's a mistake there. It should be a capital I and a small t, and then a small m and a small e. So you can actually make a point of also correcting the English. So that's another thing. So if I go and click on rent now, I go into the Beauty Tech rental option. This is not the correct one. We're talking about this clearly two different devices here. So you look at it, two different devices, okay? So you have to be able to get it right yourself. Just use your just use your intuition to make sure it's right. So you get the right well, you correct the English and you get the right link. That's not the correct link because you're not renting that device, you're renting the Beauty Tech if you click on that. Then Voltaic Plasma. Voltaic Plasma is online training platform. Once you have watched these videos, you should okay, let's go again. So if we can stop that. You should understand that the outcome depends on the way you use the device. I mean, this is clearly not good English. See whether you can actually get it right. It's the online training, I would say, it's the online training platform for Voltaic Plasma devices. Visit the site, which is beautiful. So I'll look whether it goes into the right place. Yes, it goes into the right place. That's good. So you've got to correct the English there. So remember, correct the English. Get it yourself. That is okay, I think. It's not a very good picture because it's just a screenshot of that. But you can get a better picture if you want. I think it'd be better to get a better picture. That'd be a better idea. You've got two pictures here. So this is sort of things that you have to be able to get used to. If you see something that's not right, you've got to go and correct it yourself. So you're in charge of the websites. So these are two pictures of one same device. Just get only one in the right place. So carbon dioxide, let's have a look at what it says. Carbon dioxide fractional laser resurfacing removes layers skin texture in a fractionated fashion. Okay, that's not the best, but it's better than other things. So at least there's an improvement. Now you put more information there, and maybe you didn't understand my English. Is it can fire up to 11 lines. Each cartridge has 10,000 lines. Okay, lines, not shots. Lines. So this new compact device allows the aesthetic practitioner to perform effectively with a great speed and with high force. That's fine. You can delete this. You can delete this part. Okay, you can delete this part. Go and rent now. See where it goes. Let's have a look.